Hey guys, I'm continuing my tour over here in the city of South Fulton, an Atlanta address in the Westlake School District. Got a heads up on some of these great brand new homes over here, and as always, I'm going to give you a Mark's home tour on it. This is absolutely, I think, in my top 3 floor plans of this builder. When you walk it, when I explain it to you, I think you'll agree. One thing that I love about this particular lot, I like the angle of the driveway. I love the brick front with the covered doorway. And what I really love about it is it's on the cul-de-sac, as you see, which means the houses around here are wrapping up completion, so you're not going to be in a high construction zone on a cul-de-sac, a wooded lot. And we're going to walk the lot to explain why I think it's an actual really, really good one. So what you'll notice when you first come on, you got that covered front porch. So if you want to add like a nice little bench over here or a chair in the corner, you have an outlet as well. A welcome sign, I've seen a lot of people do that as well. A planter will look really nice here as well. All right, let's go in. This is a 5-bedroom floor plan, and I think you're gonna really, really love it. Right from the jump, you can see how wide the entranceway is. This is probably one of the most functional floor plans that I've come across, with so much to do, so I have a lot to talk about. Because I can talk, right? So here's your entranceway. You have your coat closet, which is perfect. That's exactly where you want. People drop off their shoes, hang your coats, stay, but don't stay too long, right? You have another extension here, so you could put a console table, a mirror, or a lamp. You got 2 lights here as well. If you ever want to change it out to some kind of pendant light or chandeliers, that will look really nice as well. We've mentioned it in a lot of my home tours. Revwood. Revwood is a non-nail down product. It's a floating floor. It has hardwood properties into it, and then it has a laminate finish on top. So it has all the grains that you see in a hardwood floor, but it doesn't scratch or dent. One of my favorite features of this floor plan is this. This is one of the biggest flex rooms I've seen. So you could make it an absolutely killer dining room. I have actually done a model tour of this one, and I could send it to you to give you kind of decorating ideas or pictures. But what they did in it is actually made this into a total wine and bar area. Let's walk it together. Look how big it is, right? Down the line, if you ever needed to make this a 6-bedroom, you could just build out a little closet there and add double doors on it. Boom, you got a 6-bedroom. But why do all that? This is a multifunctional room. You could put a TV over here, conversation space, right? Build out a wine bar or some kind of bar in that corner or this corner. You have a piano, you have a violin, you want to make it kind of a jazzy, room, you could do that. You want to put a pool table in here, you can do that. You want to make it an unbelievable home office if you work from home, right? You can do that. Have a desk and have your clients, if you have a consulting business or some kind of business at home, a couch, a couple chairs, and your desk right there. Build out a coffee bar along this wall. Insane possibilities. Look at the size of this family room. Wrapping up construction, so excuse some of the paint that they're touching up. But look at, I want to try to give you dimensions because the camera doesn't always do justice. Look how big this room is. You could put your TV above the fireplace. Or look at how huge that wall is. So you could do a killer trim wall, media wall, put your flat screen TV here, put your long couch this way, another couch this way, or you could do a U-shaped sectional, put your TV over there. You could build out a bar again or some kind of cabinetry along that wall, or put some artwork, right? Your artwork on either one of these walls. And this wall of windows over here. How's the kitchen and kitchenette or dining room? Big enough for you? Unbelievable. So you're going to give you the LED light here. You could always switch it out to a chandelier or something like that. or add another light over here and do a double chandelier and a nice long table, right? Because you got the double doors here leading out to your back porch, which we'll take a look at. A window over here. What is the heart of a house? It's the kitchen. And look at it. Look how big this is. You could definitely fit 1, 2, 3, 4 stools, or you want to space it out a little bit. 1, 2, 3. You got the granite countertops. You got the nice gray cabinetry with the white subway tile, right? These are unbelievable. If you can close this, if you're ready to close it, you want to be in. I'm taping this the week before Thanksgiving. You can get in this house before the Christmas holiday, before New Year's. You can celebrate New Year's in your brand new home. Unbelievable. What I got for you, refrigerator will be included. Washer and dryer, which we'll take a look at the washroom, will be included. 4-burner gas cooktop with oven and warming rack will be included. Dishwasher will be included. Microwave will be included. And of course, your sink, right? So just take it all in. We're talking about the holidays, housewarmings, a place that you're going to be able to, it's going to be hard to outgrow this house. We're just started this tour. Walk-in pantry. It goes all the way down there. Incredible. But Mark, is there a bedroom downstairs? Of course. I want to show you something at this price point and this luxurious without a bedroom downstairs. So here is a bedroom downstairs. King size bed, absolutely no problem. Double door closet, king size bed, dresser, flat screen TV, window seat looking at your backyard, which is wooded. We'll take a look at in a second. Full bath, cultured marble, gray cabinets, toilet, tub shower. Very convenient for your guests and this bedroom. 2-car garage, garage door, opener is included. Here's your hot water heater. There's your circuit breakers, plenty of space. When you come in, you want to build out a nice little bench here, some shiplap, some hooks. Perfect spot for the kids to drop off their book bags and not make a mess. All right, backyard. Wooded backyard, it already has a fence included, and you have a nice area back here. Now, people might say, I wanted a half an acre, I want all this land, blah, 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 blah. I've had koi ponds, I've had pools, I've had all that. Trust me, it's going to cost you thousands of dollars a year to maintain. What you have here, guys, is you create your fire pit. You create pavers or pebbles or stamped concrete. You fence this in and you have nobody behind you. So you're probably going to see deer back here. You want to line this fence with some myrtle trees or some shrubbery hedges right here. This is all your land all the way to there. You have some side yard as well. You have side yard over here as well. Already with the 12 by 12 concrete patio area. See right here? You fence, this is your yard right here. Fence that in. Again, put a 6-foot fence, line it with myrtle trees. Kids could play soccer here, kick the ball around. This could be your entertaining area, extended grill area. You could just imagine the people sitting out here enjoying the scenery. And it's not a lot of yard to take care of, which means it's lock and go with all this square footage with an Atlanta address on a cul-de-sac. Incredible. I mean, if you wanted to put like a little small kind of lap pool in there, you could if you wanted to. I give you all kinds of ideas. So we've seen, you can tell my excitement, right? That's the first level. What is the second level going to provide? He's so excited. What could it be? A loft area. Instead of spending $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 on a basement that's not going to be finished, which means it's going to take another $50,000, $75,000, $100,000, $125,000 to finish how you want. The man or woman cave. You put your flat screen TV here. You put your popcorn machine. Where I am, you put your big, long sectional with 2 chases. Put movie theater row seats, right? This is the family hub. This is the man cave, woman cave. Stay out of my space. Watch football on Sunday. Whatever the case may be. Look at how wide this hallway is. It's got outlets. Home office, right? Built out a whole desk area, right? For you, for the kids, for the husband, for the wife. Whatever the case may be, whoever's living with you, nieces and nephews, parents, grandparents. It's a huge hallway that you could utilize. Bedroom number 2. King or queen size bed. Closet. I love this. I love this. I love the family room. I love that flex space. I love the kitchen. I love everything about it. Let's go to the washroom. It's not a wash closet. It is a washroom. You see these empty spaces? You close in 30 days. You're going to get the washer machine. You're going to get the dryer. You're going to be able to put your ironing board. You're going to be able to put your laundry baskets. Who hates going up into an attic to change the air filter? Right here, here and here. Added storage space. You're not going up into an attic. You're getting a 1-year builder warranty, 2 years on the electrical, plumbing, heating, and air, 5 years on that when you do the manufacturer's warranty, 10 years if you add $50 to it. Insane. Another full bath, double vanity sinks, gray cabinets. Where's the light on this one? Here we go. Tub, shower, toilet, separation. Very, very important when you have kids or guests. Look at that view right there, right? Towels and linens. Towels and linens. Plenty of closet space. Bedroom number 3. King or queen. Closet. Dresser, flat screen TV, window seat. 2 stand-up dressers. Look at the size of this one. Bedroom number 4. You could do 2 twin beds. You could do a queen. Walk-in closet. And finally, the primary bedroom. Is it big enough for you? Huge primary bedroom. You're going to put your bed either between these 2 windows, flat screen TV, dresser, build out a bar, put your couch. Or you're going to put your bed here, put your couch at the very end, your dresser, flat screen TV, couple of chairs, little table between these 2 windows, and still have plenty of room. Multiple ways to set this up. Toilet, double vanity sinks. Light bulbs out for that. Double vanity sinks, mirror, soaking tub, frosted glass, stand-up shower with glass, and how about, I could hear the applause, 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 and the voice of Lady Gaga, the walk-in closet, the applause, right? What you're going to be able to do to build this out after the fact is insane. It's a huge closet. So guys, $462,040. You're going to get closing costs paid for or a portion in a 2-1 rate buy down. You're going to get every appliance, all the blinds, the garage door opener. First come, first serve. Come join the Great Homes ATL family. Hope you enjoyed. Let's get this lot.